In this video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with Microsoft Teams so you can manage tasks and collaborate right inside Teams. Stay until the end to boost your productivity. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged in with the correct workspace. Click your profile icon at the top left corner. This will open your main account settings and shortcuts. In the drop-down menu, choose App Center. This is where you can find all available integrations for Clickup. Now in the search bar, just search Microsoft Teams and choose Microsoft Teams from the list. This will open the integration page for Teams. Just click Connect and follow all the prompts to sign in and authorize your Microsoft Teams account. Make sure you allow the permissions to link your tasks and channels smoothly. And that's how you integrate Clickup with Microsoft Teams. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy guides. See you next time!